So today we are going to talk about the Tibetan ending words, auxiliary verb, like ye, re, yin, duk. So there's some kinds of auxiliary verb. So today we are going to talk about ye, me, yere, yomare, yosamare, right? So ye is there is, me there isn't. Yöre, yomare, they both are they all are same thing. Yosamare is uh, there might not be, or yosare is there might be, right? So how to use them, right? So first we need to know that Mina Thangbo is first person, Mina Nipa is second person, and Mina Sumba is third person, right? First person is nga cho, I, we, kyo you, and you plural, right? Ko he, and they, right? So there are also more konso, more is she, it, they, Tezo, um, so they're like father, mother. They all are in and of part of third person, right? So how to use them? Nga la shimi ye. That means I have a cat, right? So whenever you use ye, to have to show that there is something, you have to use la also. You have to use la right after the subject, which has the cat, right? So nga la shimi ye. La and ye has to go together, right? Nga la shimi me, I don't have it. Nga la shimi ye sare, I might have it. Nga la shimi ye samare, I might not have it, right? So for the first person, you have to use ye, me, ye sare, ye samare only to answer something, only when you are talking. Um, it's not talking about the question, right? So the question has a different way of saying, like we will talk about it later, right? So ngaso we ngaso la shimi ye, ngaso la shimi me, ngaso la shimi ye sare, ngaso la shimi ye samare, right? So ngaso also has to go with ye, right? Que you, que la shimi yere, que has to go with yere, que la shimi yomare, you don't have it. And que la shimi yesare, you might have it. Que la shimi yosamare, you might not have it. Kyoso la shimi yore, so kyoso, they both are second person, so they have to go with yore, right? Kyoso la shimi yore, kyonso la shimi yomare, kyonso la shimi yosare, kyonso la shimi yosamare, right? And koso, they, right? They, them, it, she, he, uh, father, mother, all the names are Minasumba, third person, right? All the Minasumba has to go with Yore, like second person, right? Second person has to go with Yore, uh, like Kola Shimi Yore, Kola Shimi Yomare, Kola Shimi Yosare. Yosare is might have, Yosamare is not might not have, right? Kola Consola Shimi Yore, Consola Shimi Yomare, Consola Shimi Yosare, Consola Shimi Yosamare, right? So you have, like, when you know one simple um, uh, structure, you can implement to all other sort of subjects, right? So the second part, how do you use them when you are asking question, right? So there is a little bit like you have to switch a little bit here. Mina tangbo, mina nipa, you have to switch yure, ye, right? So in this case, first person has yure here, right? Ngala shimi yure pe. Pe is the question mark. When you are asking, then you have to use yure to the first person. Nga so. Pe is the question mark, right? Question, right? Ngala shimi yure mare pes ra. Kare ra nganso la shimi yore be. Ana nganso la shimi yore mare be ra. Kare like kare, do we have it? Like don't we have it? It's kind of like this, right? 아니 미나니바 second person kyo kyoso, right? So kyo kyoso, when you are answering, when you are talking, right? When you are generally talking, you only have to use yore with kyo and kyoso, the second person, right? When you are asking, you have to use ye, not yore, right? Kyola shimi yope, pe is the question, right? When you are asking question, you have to use you after the kyo, right? And you have to note down that you has to go with la, right? La, right? They both has to go together all the time. La, kyola shimi mepe, kyonso la shimi yope, kyonso la shimi mepe, right? The third person, ko koso, it remains same, right? Kola shimi yore is the answer, right? Now you just have to add pe when if you want to ask question, right? Like make it a question. Kola shimi yore pe, kola shimi yomare, konsola shimi yore pe, konsola shimi yomare. In some cases, uh, it is very simple, effective, right? Okay, so if you make mix them with ye, re, yin, do all together, then it will be a little bit complicated. Now, Chiwa question, lane answer. Ngala shimi yorebe. Do I have a cat? Kyola shimi. Yes, you have cat. Kyola shimi yomari. You don't have cat. Kyola shimi yosare. You might have cat. Kyola shimi yosamari. You might not have cat. Ngala shimi yomari. But this can be a negative question, right? Correct. Correct. Don't I like I don't I have like cat, right? Nganso la shimi yorebe, nganso la shimi yomarebe, right? Ani it's all same here. Kyo la shimi yobe, kyo la shimi mebe. They both a question. Like positive question, negative question. Ngala shimi yo, ngala shimi me, ngala shimi yosere, ngala shimi yosamare, right? And then here we will skip this fourth one. Kola shimi yorebe, kola shimi yomarebe, kola shimi yore, kola shimi yomare, kola shimi yosere, kola shimi yosamare. So here, see, so right now we are talking about me, yosare, yosamare, yore, yomare, yosare, yosamare, right? So if we stick with the one category like of auxiliary verb, it's very simple, very effective, very easy to learn, right?